Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Afaq Izzat. My presentation topic is redox reaction of octahedral complexes. Redox reaction is the reaction in which reduction or oxidation are occur simultaneously. Redox reaction of octahedral complexes in redox reaction, one or more electron from reductant mean electron rich to oxidant mean electron poor. Mm, at first glance, it might appear that mechanism of redox reaction will be trivial. That is, the two metal approach each other, electron transfer take place, and metal go on their way. However, these reactions are complicated by the fact and the metal are surrounded by the ligands. The, this result is in two types of redox reaction: outer sphere and inner sphere. Outer sphere reaction is the reaction in which electron transfer take place through a space. Uh, in outer sphere reaction, the coordination sphere are not altered. In outer sphere reaction, direct transfer from reductant to oxidant take place. Transfer take place between two metal atoms. For example, given example are FeCN6 over whole 4 plus MoCN8 whole minus 3 uh, FeCN6 whole minus 3 and MoCN8 whole minus 4. Its mean its whole will be changed. Outer sphere reaction may be two types: homonucleon or heteronucleon. Homonucleon transfer or self-exchange reaction or heteronucleon transfer or cross reaction. In homonucleon reaction, self-exchange reaction in which you can see the example of FeH2O6 whole plus H2 plus 2 plus FeH2O6 whole plus 3 exchange the their whole over FeH2O6 whole plus 3 FeH2O6 plus whole plus 2. Second example is CONH36 plus 3 CONH36 whole plus 2. It's also be changed their holes are outer CONH36 plus 2 plus CONH36 plus 3. Heteronucleon electron transfer, it means cross reaction, cross exchange or electron. Its example is FeCN6 whole minus 4 plus IRCR6 minus 2 exchange holes FeCN minus 3 and IRCL6 minus 3. FeCN6 minus 4 plus MoCN3 whole plus FeCN6 3 plus MoCN8 minus 4. Mechanism: according to the all monomers reactant diffuse together to form an outer sphere complex. RuH218 6 plus 3 RuH26 plus 2 RuH206 plus 3 plus RuH206 plus 2. It's ion pair. Ion pair means it look like a pairing with each other. Both distance around metal change to the become more product like. The solvent shell around the outer sphere reorganize. The electron is transferred. The ion pair dissociate to the give product. Then ion dissociate and give the product. In general, these reactions are faster because no bond are broken. Rate of transfer of electron is fast if reductant and oxidant are same metal. For example, FeCN6 its whole 4 minus plus Fe3 CN6 whole minus 3 Its product is Fe3 plus in 3 minus plus Fe. Its reaction is very fast because its reactant oxidant are same metal. Second types is inner sphere. Inner sphere is also types of oxidation reduction redox reaction of octahedral complexes. In inner sphere, electron transplace through a bridge ligand. Its transfer through a bridge ligand. It means its electron are transferred through a bridge. The coordination sphere of matter are altered in the same way. For example, inert CONH3 5Cl plus 2 है, ion pair D6 plus Cr CH2O6 plus H2 है, ये labile high spin है. In the presence of H plus hydrogen की it's give COH26 plus H2 plus high spin plus Cr H2O 5Cl plus Cl plus NH4 plus are removed. Labile and D spin 7 and inert D6 are formed. A compound must have ligand to form a bridge. Inner sphere reaction involve a physical bridge by a ligands from one species to another species during the redox reaction. Evidence for the direct transfer. Inner sphere reaction are much lower than outer sphere reaction. Mechanism. First step is dissociation of water from labile complexes. CrH2O6 plus H2 fast it CrH25 plus H2 plus H labile its D spin. Second step is formation of bridge activated complexes CONH35Cl plus 2 plus CrH2O plus 2. It's formed, it's a reverse reaction, it's make a NH3 5 COCl single bond CrH2 5 double plus hole. And second step is electron transfer followed by the dissociation of activated complex. NH3 5 CO single bond chlorine single bond CrH2 5 plus Cr transferred electron into the cobalt CO. NH3 5 CO single bond chlorine single bond Cr H2O5 plus 4 H are removed or water molecule are removed, then it makes a CrH2O CrH2O5Cl plus 2 plus CONH3 5 H2O plus 2. Then it's react each other and removed H molecule or water molecule, then it makes a product COH2O6 plus H2 plus and 5 NH4. Thank you very much.